Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save the MBTI test result in Hearttopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Winterfrost season event in Hearttopia is already over and there is a new update in Hearttopia. In this update, you'll be able to take MBTI test and you will reveal your soul in Hearttopia. And I'm going to show you where we can take the test. You can go to the event menu and select discovery, select the shape of you, and you're going to start answering 16 questions that will reveal your result. That will reveal your MBTI type. Okay, actually, I've already taken the test, and this is my result, guys. I got INTJ, and we can save the result to our device or our gallery. You can click on this eye icon to hide the menu like this, and you will be able to take a screenshot of the result. Okay, and the result will be saved to your device. Okay, or actually after you get the result, you can immediately take the screenshot of this result and you can save it to your device. Okay guys, and that's how we can save the MBTI test result in Hearttopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.